Joan Langdale was first diagnosed with breast cancer in 1992 at the age of 38 and was treated with a lumpectomy and radiation. In 1999, after performing a self-exam, she discovered another mass, which resulted in a mastectomy. 10 years later, again while performing a self-exam, Joan found a lump in the remaining breast, this time requiring a second mastectomy. November 13, 2012 will mark 3 years for Joan living cancer-free. And more than 20 years since her initial diagnosis. Joan's mother, Joan's sisters Chris, Elizabeth and Anne, and husband Craig provided support throughout each diagnosis, treatment, and recovery with hospital and doctor visits. They helped her cook, build a household upkeep, they gave blessings and prayers, and keeping her spirits lifted with funny movies. After being an educator for over 32 years, Joan recently retired from her life as a school principal in the annual non-Diablo schools to pursue a lifelong goal to become a professional dancer. Joan and her husband, Craig, of 9 years, currently compete in a pro division of the WCWDC circuit. They have earned a combined total of 4 World Championship titles. They travel across the United States and around the world, teaching workshops, competing and judging dances, and holding classes at a number of studios in the Bay Area. While alternating a dance event attending a dance event following her diagnosis in 2009, Joan's dance family showered her with support beyond comprehension by organizing an impromptu raffle and raising over $2,000 that was for breast cancer research. A friend of Joan's and a fellow competitor, Helen, coordinated a massive goodwill gesture throughout the global dance community. Over the next 5 months, Joan received more than 200 emails, cards, care packages, and brought greetings of hope and love and carried her through the sad days until she could get back out on the dance floor. Joan's motto is better living through cancer. Finding out she had cancer at a young age created a shift in Joan's priorities, which resulted in healthier life choices related to choosing a husband, her career, and pursuing her passion for dance. Joan's advice to all women is to practice regular breast exams. And to anyone facing a cancer diagnosis, her advice is to decide what matters most in your life, what brings you joy, and then live your life doing it. Ladies and gentlemen, Joan Langdale.
All right, we all want to see Joan dance down this runway.